Hello, this is Miss Jonesy. I dyed the coffee filters yesterday. I purchased them at Dollar Tree. They come in a various size pack, small, medium, and large. I only dyed the medium and the large flowers. Thus, I created a teddy bear centerpiece for my daughter for Easter. I asked her, would you like me to make a teddy bear centerpiece? And she says, how would you do that? And I said, out of coffee filter flowers. And she said, okay. And yes, this is my first one I've ever made. Isn't he cute? And I'm not going to place a face or a nose and mouth on it because I think it would take away from the hard work I created when I had to individually make all these coffee filter flowers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers, and then the ears are just on a pattern piece of cardboard. And I just added the leftover pieces of the coffee filter and just added it to the little cardboard ears. What do you think? I think he is so cute. And this is all 100% Dollar Tree. And here's the twine cross with some leftover coffee filter paper wrapped up tightly and then draped on the cross. 100% Dollar Tree. And she likes yellow, so here's your yellow, my dear daughter. Bringing you ideas when I make things and I upload them to YouTube. They are going to somebody, or I'm keeping them myself. I already showed you how I made this cute little Dollar Tree number. And then in the background, that's waiting for Mother's Day for a plant. Yeah. Now we have coffee filter flower teddy bear. So adorable. She's gonna love it. Subscribe if you want to stick around and see what I come up with next. I just have fun doing all these little cute projects. Keeps me busy. I'm retired. I have a brain tumor. So keeps me in the home. Keeps me busy. I'm not out wandering the streets. Blessings to you and your family from me and mine. I'll see you again real soon. And please give me a big like. Alright? I appreciate it. Bless.